Good morning, World Wide Web, loyal subscribers, YouTubers, guys. It is an incredibly beautiful Monday morning here on the East Coast in Gettysburg, Maryland, guys, on March 14th, 2022. In today's video, guys, we're going to actually start a brand new series. For anybody who's on my list, for anybody who's finding me on YouTube, we're going to start a brand new list, and we're going to be talking about new work from home opportunities. Okay, we're going to talk about new work from home opportunities and one of the best ways to start your own business or just start earning some extra income working from home with affiliate marketing, guys. Okay, very, very, very simple. For you guys who don't know what affiliate marketing is, you guys, it's simply becoming what's known as an affiliate and actually promoting and marketing other people's products. Okay, you don't have to create anything. The products or services you choose to market and promote are already created for you. If you guys have been on YouTube, you guys have seen 1,001 of them, guys. You can just about be an affiliate marketer. You can be an affiliate marketer for just about anything. I mean, even Walmart, believe it or not. I mean, really. So that's what we're going to be talking about. That's what this new series, the 10 reasons to start your own business, particularly inside of the HBA Funnel Builder. That's what it's all about, guys. It's about setting up your own affiliate marketing business. And this series is really, going to be something that I really believe is going to empower a lot of people to start doing what it is they want to do. Because there's a lot of confusion and there's a lot of things going on online. I know I stayed lost in the wilderness for a very long time until I really discovered there are only really a few things that you really need to focus and concentrate on when it comes to starting your own business or your own affiliate marketing business, or starting your own business with anything you want, by the way, right? Your own personal products and services if you desire. Starting your own store. Whatever it is you want to do, guys, right? You can become an affiliate marketer for it, or you can just do what it is you want to do. And in the HBA Funnel Builder, what my goal is to show you guys how you can actually start doing this and how you can package this and actually set yourself up an affiliate marketing business, like literally within the next 24 hours. Okay, and I mean that literally, right? So we'll talk about affiliate marketing, and I'm going to simplify it probably as much as I possibly can, right? And there are really only three components, really, that you really need to have in place when you start talking about affiliate marketing and or starting your own affiliate marketing business, or just making extra income or earning extra income through affiliate marketing. And they are, number one, a high converting offer. Okay, a high converting offer. And in this instance, let's just say a high converting affiliate offer, right? And next, guys, it's about traffic and lead generation. Okay, because when you have a high converting offer and you know how to generate traffic and leads, and not just generate traffic and leads, but generate traffic and leads on a consistent basis, then you can actually flip the switch and turn your what's going to become an automated marketing system on. Okay, so you have a high converting offer, you can tap into a consistent flow of traffic and lead generation, right? That's the number two thing you need to be able to do. And third, guys, you need to be able to create yourself an automated system to do it. Okay, did you guys get that? You need to be able to create an automated system to do it. So let's recap real quick. You have yourself a high converting offer, right? You have a source, right, or sources or resources where you can tap into a consistent flow of traffic. And now by having a system, you can automate the process for getting in front of the people most likely to be what it is you have to offer, right? It will automate the process in terms of presenting that particular offer to them, right? Your affiliate product. You have a system now, and that system begins what's known as a lead capture page. Why? Because if you have a lead capture page, guys, you can get in front of the people who are looking for ways to make money. Special note, let me say this before I go any further. When you talk about affiliate marketing, guys, one of the best affiliate marketing niches, one of the best niches you can just jump right into right now today, is work from home opportunities. Okay? Every day, 200,000 plus brand new people come online or either through direct mail or some shape, form, or fashion, looking for ways to work from home and earn extra income. Okay, so your niche is already in place, guys. There are already countless thousands of people who had already raised their hands and are diligently, even as we speak, looking for ways to make money working from home. And when you understand traffic and lead generation and you have an actual system, now you can strategically position yourself in front of the people who have raised their hands, right? And this is how an automated marketing system works. When we talk about the 10 best reasons that you should be using the HBA funnel building software is because you can create unlimited lead capture pages. Okay, so, to capitalize, the number one reason you should be using software like the HBA Funnel Builder is because you can create unlimited being the key word here, lead capture pages, meaning you can promote any affiliate product and service that you want. You can promote your existing primary biz products, services, personal products and services. Using the HBA Funnel Builder, you actually can build your own stores and integrate your own payment processes. But I'm getting ahead of myself, so we're not going to get into that right now because we're talking about the 10 best reasons you should be using software like the HBA Funnel Builder if, in fact, you want to start your own business. If, in fact, you really want to earn a little extra income from home by actually setting up an automated system. Let's look back at this, guys, right? We're talking about an automated system, your high converting offer, right? We're talking about traffic. We're talking about lead capture, which now makes what we're talking about an automated marketing system. Very beautiful thing to have in place, working for you in the background, because these automated marketing systems can work for you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week, even on holidays, right? Even while you sleep. That's the beauty of it. That's what my $100 days marketing system is all about. It's not a business opportunity, guys. It's an opportunity for you to actually create a skill set where you get to write your own check. You get to fill in the blanks. You get to do whatever it is you want to do, as long as you have a high converting offer, as long as you understand that you're going to have a consistent flow of traffic so that you can generate leads. And when you have a systematic approach like this, a lead capture page, guys, I'm going to say it. I say it all the time. You have the keys to the kingdom, right? You don't have to worry. You don't have to wonder. You don't have to wait for anybody to do anything for you. But wait a minute. Inside the HBA Funnel Builder and everything that you guys see me talking about, we got tons of training. I said tons of training. That's probably going to scare a lot of people because most people don't want to sit down and learn or implement the actual skill set that I'm talking about. And before you dismiss this particular process, let me explain this. When you have these automated marketing systems all set up, right? When you've connected and dotted all the I's and crossed